Welcome to BLAZZER Reviews. Today we'll be reviewing a 2014 Subaru Forester XT. Not any XT, this is my personal vehicle that I've had for over 5 years. Let's get into it. Let's get started with the exterior. The Forester offers a sporty, aggressive look, with a raised stance for both city driving and off-roading, sitting on 18-inch rims with stylish LED headlights and an aggressive sporty grille, with a rear spoiler offering that sporty look, twin exhaust,
functional exhaust.
We can agree that the Forester delivers when it comes to aesthetics. Diving into the interior, we have electric heated seats,
Plenty of headroom,
and a panoramic sunroof. Little secret, if you press the button again, the sunroof goes further back.
Under the hood, we have a 2-litre turbocharged boxer engine. Fun fact, the same engine as the WRX, making this the ultimate SUV sleeper. With 250 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque, Subaru claims it does 0 to 100 in 6.2 seconds. Let's find out for ourselves.
A few moments later.
Back on the road. Driving this car is an absolute thrill. With the 2-litre turbo engine, it's very zippy. You just put your foot down and it gets you out of trouble. This car's very, very capable. We've been on the sand dunes, some forward driving stuff, and it's just capable of doing all the things that you won't expect from a small SUV. Subaru does a really good job in terms of their suspension and handling. This car handles very well. I actually can't fault this car in terms of drivability. Oh crap, wrong video. One thing the Subaru offers is eyesight driver assist technology, where it's got these 2 sensors at the top here. It can recognize the car in front of you. Any objects pop up in front of you, it stops by itself. Based on the car in front of me, it slows down. See now the car's braking by itself, because you can see that the car in front of me is very close, and it can accelerate accordingly. It's a very cool feature. Sports mode. Sports mode just gives you longer gear ratios, allows you to stretch out the gears for more power. Turbocharged engine is just very zippy, very nimble, great for overtaking, great for taking off the mark. Forward drive obviously helps. WRX engine in the SUV. Feels good to be able to put your foot down and just go.
So after owning this car for 5 years, I honestly can't fault anything except maybe the lack of boot space. Other than that, it ticked all the boxes.
Big shout out to Flex Media for filming this video. So if you have a car that you'd like to send me a review, write it down in the comment. If you have a car that you allow me to review, that'll be amazing. If you can lend me your car so I can review it. If you're a car dealership and you got an email from myself, please allow us to showcase your cars and we'll be able to give you guys a shout out. I'd like to end it there. Like I said, the XT, it's been a fantastic car for us. I felt like I had to review it, and it's just coming from honest experience and honesty. And I hope you enjoyed the video. and look forward to seeing you on the next one.
BLAZZER Reviews. See you next time.